In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove payment method on Alibaba 2024. We'll walk through the exact path to find your saved payment methods on Alibaba or Alibaba Cloud, how to check the status of the card you want to remove, and how to delete it safely. I'll also share a few quick tips so you know what to expect on the screen as you go. First, sign in to your Alibaba or Alibaba Cloud account using your usual login details. Make sure you're in the correct account where the payment method is saved, especially if you manage multiple profiles or business accounts. Once you're in, head to your account area and look for the billing section. The wording can vary slightly, but you're generally looking for billing or payment settings. On some dashboards, you'll see a path like expenses and costs, then billing account. On others, you may see payment methods directly in your user or billing menu. If in doubt, the billing or user center is the right place to start. And from there, look for anything labeled payments, billing, or costs. When you open payment methods, you'll see the list of your saved options, such as credit or debit cards and sometimes PayPal. Each payment method will typically show basic details and an action menu or button next to it. Before removing anything, take a moment to identify the exact payment method you intend to delete so you don't remove the wrong one. Next, check the status of the card or method you want to remove. If it isn't marked as the default, you can usually remove it right away. The interface will often display a small label or text indicating which method is set as default. If you see that default label, the remove option may be grayed out or unavailable until that status changes. If it's not the default, you're good to proceed. Now remove the card, click the delete or remove option next to that payment method. A confirmation prompt will appear so you can double check your choice. Confirm the removal and wait a moment while the system processes the change. In some cases, you might see a brief loading indicator or be asked to verify the action. Once it's done, the payment method should disappear from the list, or you'll see a confirmation message indicating it was removed successfully. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to billing or payment settings, found your saved payment methods, checked the status, and removed the one you no longer need. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, look for similarly named sections like